Welcome to our video. I've got a great question for you today. Did the 5 members of the 2018 World Junior Hockey Team who were charged with sexual assault in London make the right election? They elected, as you may have read in the press, by judge and jury. Now, a lot of commentators, including some lawyers out there, think that's the wrong election. I completely disagree. This completely keeps their options open, and let me explain to you. When you're tried and they elect by indictment, you have a right to a judge alone trial or a jury trial, and you can elect in the Ontario Court of Justice or Superior Court of Justice. So they've elected judge and jury in the Superior Court of Justice. What does this do for them? Well, those lawyers will probably be able to find out who the judge is at some point, and the Crown will probably allow them to re-elect if they want to. Now, what does this do? So obviously, every judge is different. Some judges are favorable to the defense, some favorable to the Crown, some are neutral. So after the pretrial applications, which will probably be in this case, they'll be able to find out who the judge is, and they can make a decision. Do I stick with the jury? That might be more favorable than this judge, because a lot of judges convict, a lot acquit. Everyone's different. Judges are just people, juries are just people. So with a jury trial, you've got 12 people. So they just have to convince one, for example, that the person's not guilty, and that'd be a mistrial. And in many cases, you're going to stick with the jury trial. So a lot of lawyers who are making these calls out there, I question how experienced they are doing jury trials, first of all. And second of all, this is the best. Senior lawyers I talk to, including all the lawyers at our firm, we invariably elect judge and jury. We can find out who the trial judge is and then make a decision to re-elect based on that judge's predilections, because we know the local judges. Now, I think all 5 lawyers in this case, they're not from London, so they're probably going to be reaching out to local lawyers in London and asking about the judge that they draw. So that's an excellent election. It keeps their options open, and it's the best thing to do on almost any sexual assault indictable file. Now, I want to also let you know about a great video I did on electing judge alone or judge and jury, which more fully explains this. But that's my view of this election being a great election, really the only election that I would do for that particular case. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.